This ad you're seeing right now has gotten millions of views and generated millions of dollars for this brand. And this is the AI generated version that I just created with Sora 2 in just minutes. That's right, same look, same format with almost no effort at all. Brands like AG1 built 9-figure businesses using UGC content, and now you can replicate their strategies just like that using AI. No big budgets, no film crews, no waiting around for creators. If you're selling products online, you already know how powerful UGC video ads are. They feel personal and give you the confidence that other people have already used the product you're interested in. In fact, ads that include user-generated content get up to 4x higher click-through rates and can cut your cost per click in half compared to traditional ads. With the method I'm going to show you in this video, you'll be able to recreate viral ads in minutes. And don't worry, the videos won't look like AI generated at all. I spent months testing tools, digging through the internet and experimenting until I found what actually works. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I recreate viral UGC video ads so that you can follow step by step and create your own. You'll learn how to find winning UGC ads from your niche, write a perfect AI prompt, use the right tools to make your ad look completely real, and build a high converting UGC ad from scratch. And make sure you watch until the end because I'm going to show you the exact UGC video formula that's behind some of the biggest converting ads out there. And if you're new here, my name is Cristian. If you want to step up your ecom game, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel and let's jump right into it. Step 1 is real simple, and that's find a proven ad that's already performing so that we can reverse engineer it. And I'm going to show you a free way that you can do this directly on TikTok. First, you're going to go to ads.tiktok.com, and in here, you're going to log in, or you're going to get started, create an account with them. Then inside your dashboard here, you're going to go to TikTok 1. You're going to click on that here on the side. So TikTok 1, you're going to open that. And once in here, you're going to go here to inspiration and top ads, and you are going to select here top ads library. And here is where you're going to filter and find the ad examples you want to mimic. So let's say you're selling a probiotic drink like this Bloom Super Belly Mango Passion Fruit. Set your region to the USA, the period to 180 days, and narrow down to the probiotic product. Then scroll through the winning ads until you find something similar to your product. And here's a great example, a viral UGC video of a girl drinking AG1 with 25.9 million views and a high click-through rate. That's the kind of ad you want to recreate because it's already proven to grab attention and convert. Once you find such an ad, right-click, inspect, then click the video link so that you can download it. Next, we'll use Google Gemini to extract the video's captions. So far, this is the only tool I found that can extract captions from an uploaded video. Upload the video and just ask, can you transcribe this word to word? And you'll get the transcript in just a bit. Swap out the product name and details for your own brand. If the creator mentions the product name, like in my case, just replace it with your product name. This structure is the blueprint behind almost every high converting UGC ad. So even if you tweak the visuals, change the actor, or adjust the story, as long as you stick to this structure, your ad will be optimized for conversions. And keep on watching because in a bit I'm going to talk in detail about this winning formula for AI UGC video ads. So next, let's create the Sora 2 prompt that will bring your video to life. Open ChatGPT and ask it to generate your prompt. Type generate a Sora 2 prompt to recreate this exact vertical lifestyle TikTok video with realistic camera movement, lighting, and mood. Then describe the scene in clear visual detail, like a girl in her kitchen showing the drink box, explaining benefits, scooping powder, shaking the drink, sipping it, and smiling. The more detail you add, the more natural and engaging your video will look like. Finally, paste your edited captions from Gemini into ChatGPT. These are the words your actor will actually say in the video. Now, with all this information, ChatGPT will come up with an optimized Sora 2 prompt, which you can further tweak if you need to. And now it's actually time for the fun part, bringing the video to life. I'll be using Arcad's AI, which runs Sora 2 directly. No invite code or VPN needed, even if you are outside the US. There are some limitations with Sora right now, but Arcad's gives us full access to it. So once you're in your Arcad's account, you'll need to create a new project. You can switch between different video modes and models, choose videos, then choose Sora 2 Pro for a more realistic output. Then set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for TikTok, then 12 seconds long and highest resolution. Upload your product photo as a reference if you have one. If you don't have one, just ask ChatGPT to generate a realistic photo for your product. You can even grab them straight from AliExpress if that's where you are sourcing your products from. For this video, I'm gonna use photos from the Bloom brand just to exemplify the process. Now paste in the Sora 2 prompt that we just generated with ChatGPT. Click generate and let the AI do its thing. And here's the result.
Remembering to take all of my supplements is a lot sometimes, and this is so much more than just a powder. It's got all of your vitamins. I don't need to take a bunch. It's all in here. All you have to do is scoop, mix, drink, and you're done. You've got to check out Super Belly Bloom.
Natural expression, smooth lighting, perfect motion. It's crazy how nowadays you can just scroll your feed, find the perfect ad for your brand and just recreate it instantly. Customize for your product, perfectly on brand and optimize to convert. You can take practically any product online and turn it into a realistic lifelike video in minutes. You can have someone holding the product, saying exactly what you want them to say. And because this process is so easy, you can test dozens of variations and quickly scale up your campaigns without waiting weeks for new content. But that's not all. Now let me show you a couple of more interesting features inside the Arcad's app. First one, unboxing POVs. Inside Arcad's, just select the unboxing POV feature, upload a product photo and choose a setting that fits your niche. For example, since my product is kitchen related somehow, I selected the kitchen table template. I hit generate and boom, the clip came out looking super real. This is perfect for adding a little touch of authenticity to my ad. And this is another interesting feature. If you're promoting an app, a digital product, or you just want to show your product page when telling your customers to buy your product, upload a screenshot of your store or app, select an actor that matches your brand, hit generate, and Arcad's will produce a natural, believable shot of someone showing your store or app on their phone. And now here's the exact UGC video formula that's behind some of the highest converting ads out there. Quick note, you don't need to copy the video you want to mimic word for word. What matters is keeping the same structure, the same proven formula that made it go viral in the first place. And here's how that breaks down. You start with a hook, something that grabs attention right away. It could be a pain point, a relatable feeling, or a bold statement that makes people stop scrolling. Here's what the AG1 ad is saying.
Remembering to take all of my supplements is a lot sometimes.
The hook here is a pain point a lot of people have. They are taking so many vitamins that's getting hard to remember them all. Then move into the problem, explain the issue your product solves, something your audience instantly relates to. This builds connection and curiosity. Let's hear what the AG1 video says here.
And this is so much more than just a greens powder. It's got all of your vitamins, minerals, probiotics, and more.
So the issue AG1 solves is that their product contains all the vitamins and people do not need to take any other. Next, you'll need to show the solution that is your product, show it in action, make it feel real and effortless. People need to see the transformation happening. Here, AG1 does that. They show how easy it is to prepare the drink and how the product helped customers transform their lives. You get the idea. And finally, wrap it up with a call to action. Here's what the AG1 video says.
If you order Athletic Greens right now, you'll receive this year's supply of this liquid vitamin D and 5 free travel packs.
You've got to check out Athletic Greens for yourself.
So at the end, tell your viewers exactly what you want them to do next. Like grab yours now, try it for yourself, and that's it. So this is how you can recreate viral TikTok UGC ads with Sora 2 in just minutes. If you want to try Arcad's, you're gonna find the link in the description. If you like this walkthrough and want more tutorials like this one, hit that subscribe button. And I think you'll be interested in seeing this video next. Click it and I'll see you there.